what would have looked at very small amount at that point in time.
National study of millionaires found that 90% of millionaires couples had clearly
And
defined
that 1,000 rupee saving, but had we done that, my equity now 25 years later would have been phenomenal.
Yes.
I think your
That's
first job, when your first salary comes, that is the day you should plan your.
So that's why I guess we miss the bus in our first 10 years of our career.
Correct.
That's a thing I think we learnt on the job.
Correct.
We didn't have this kind of information that is there right now. We didn't have that.
We started, I think, 2-3 years after our marriage.
Yeah.
But if I had to redo this,
We
on the
started-
day I started my job, I
Elon Musk wrote down Tesla's master plan in 2006, and today that company is more than $800 billion worth.
I have an aspiration. I want to be a CEO. I want to be this. I want to be that. Likewise, in your family also, you should have financial.
One simple thing that will almost guarantee you great wealth, but it's not easy. It won't be easy, but it is so simple. You apply it and you will surely make wealth. I learned it at the age of 40. I realized it at the age of 40. I lost 10 years, precious years of my married life. If I had known this truth, I would have made much more wealth. I would have had much more to give to this society. And again, millionaires and billionaires and successful entrepreneurs follow this. It's very important for life, not just finances, but everything in life. And if you do this simple thing, you will guaranteed create wealth. You'll have financial freedom very early in life, and you'll have so much wealth that you can give back to the society. Yes, let's learn that today. Hello, I am Frankie Fernandez. I am a money and marriage coach. I'm a certified financial planner, and I'm also a certified marriage coach. We are married for 24 years, and for the last 15 years, we are coaching as family coaches, and I've got more than 30 years of experience in the financial services mutual fund industry. And with all this experience and my knowledge and all that I've learned, I want to share this with you today. So let's get into today's interesting session. So what is that one simple thing that every newly wedded couple should do? Are you newly married? Are you just married, or you're going to get married? This is one thing you must do. And that is write down your financial goals. Write down your financial goals. Yes, it is as simple as this. Trust me, this simple writing down your financial goal will revolutionize your life. आपकी पूरी जिंदगी को बदल देगी. आप वेल्दी हो जाओगे, आप इस सोसाइटी को दे सकोगे, क्योंकि आपके पास उतना धन होगा. क्योंकि दिस सिंपल थिंग, बट इट इज नॉट इजी. ये आसान नहीं है, ये सिंपल है, लेकिन ये आसान नहीं. इट्स नॉट इजी. यू विल हैव टू sacrifice, but the rewards will be immense. And what are financial goals? What do you write down? Simple. At 40, I wrote down my financial goals of retirement, children's education, their marriage, and many other things. So what could be your financial goal when you are early, when you are very new in your married life? Of course, retirement, which is actually the other word could be financial freedom. That is when you don't have to work, और when you don't have work, मतलब आप जब रिटायर हो जाओगे, आपके पास काम नहीं होगा, पैसे आएंगे नहीं, फिर भी आप आसानी से इस 20-30 साल जी सकते हो. That is called the retirement goal. Second is, and then when you are young, you may have a goal like buying a home, buying a car, or buying other things. They are also financial goals. So if you write them down, if you achieve them, you have that as an asset. Then your children's education, मतलब आपके बच्चों की जो पढ़ाई है, हायर एजुकेशन, मतलब अंडर ग्रेजुएट स्टडीज और पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन स्टडीज, और उनकी शादी और वेडिंग, एंड अदर फिलैंथ्रोपी गोल्स लाइक मे बी कुछ लोगों को हॉस्पिटल बनाना है, स्कूल बनानी है, राइट? सो दोज काइंड ऑफ गोल्स. सो इफ यू राइट देम डाउन, you will guaranteed create wealth, because it will change you, it will move you towards that. Have you ever seen top football stars, soccer stars like Lionel Messi or Ronaldo? Just imagine, there's no goal. What will they do? They'll play very well. खेलेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा, ड्रिबल करेंगे, लेकिन क्या करेंगे उसके बाद? They are top scorers and great football players because there is a goal, and they have that in mind and always they keep scoring. That goal is very important. हम सब के लिए बहुत बहुत जरूरी है कि हमको वो फाइनेंशियल गोल जो है हर चीजों में, हमारे हेल्थ के लिए, मैरिज के लिए और हर चीजों में, करियर के लिए भी, जिनके पास भी रिटर्न गोल्स है वही सक्सेस पाएंगे. तो how about financial goals? Why do I say that financial goals will help? Let's see some reasons. What do you think? How important is a financial plan that includes financial goals like retirement, children's education, or a house, or marriage? Do you think it's an important part of a family goals?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, when you have career goals, why can't you have financial goals for your family? I mean, I have an aspiration. I want to be a CEO. I want to be this. I want to be that. Likewise, in your family also, you should have financial goals, right? Saying that we want to achieve this. We want to achieve this.
You know, financial goals give clarity. आपको एक क्लियर विजन दिखता है कि क्या करना है. मुझे 10 किलो कम करने हैं, राइट? दैट्स अ क्लैरिटी. और आई हैव टू मेक 5 crores, or I have to save 10,000 per month. So that gives clarity. And when you have retirement, right? And if you want to know more about how to know your retirement goals, watch my video. It's a DIY video, and also about family financial goals. Watch that video. So when you know your financial goals, you know how much you require. For example, आपको retirement में एक 8 crore लगेंगे. If you are a 30-year-old spending 50,000 today, you need 8 crores in your retirement. So that gives clarity. And not only that, to reach that 8 crores today, you may have to save 25,000 per month. That's a clarity. You know, Elon Musk wrote down Tesla's master plan in 2006. And today, that company is more than $800 billion worth.
So definitely, yes, have financial goals and also have realistic financial goals, so that it's also an achievable goal, a goal which will not create so much stress in your life that what's the point? Then you're only building all of this, and then you'll fall ill and you'll make some doctor rich. Rather, you spend it on yourself and have a peaceful life.
Number 2, financial goals bring accountability and discipline. आपको एक अकाउंटेबल बनाती है और आप डिसिप्लिन्ड हो जाते हो. आपको क्या करना पड़ता है फॉर योर रिटायरमेंट गोल्स, फॉर योर चिल्ड्रंस एजुकेशन, और जो भी गोल्स है, आपको उतने पैसे बचाने पड़ते हैं. You have to save that much. That brings discipline. I remember when we set this goal, I started my SIPs, systematic investment plans. It was accountability, it was discipline. Because the moment I got my salary, so much money would go into SIP, and that was the discipline. Because that SIP was for my retirement, for my children's education, for their marriage. So it made me accountable. It made us accountable and disciplined. 2023 Charles Schwab survey found 65% of people with written plans saved consistently versus 33% without. Number 3, when you have financial goals written down, what happens? You have to, for example, your salary is 1 lakh. अगर आपकी जो सैलरी है 1 लाख है, और आपको आपके रिटायरमेंट के लिए और चिल्ड्रंस एजुकेशन के लिए, सब गोल्स के लिए आपको 50,000 आपको सेव करने, इन्वेस्ट करने, तो आप क्या करोगे? आपकी जो बजट होगी वो बाकी के 50,000 पर, राइट? आपकी जो ग्रोसरीज होंगे, स्कूल फीस, रेंट, सब कुछ जो भी है, मोबाइल बिल्स जो भी है, आप उस 50,000 में ही करोगे, क्योंकि आपके पास 50, बाकी के जो 50,000 नहीं है. सो इट हेल्प्स यू राइट डाउन योर बजट, एंड इट अवॉइड्स, आप फोकस्ड होते हो किन किन चीजों पर स्पेंड करना है. यू डोंट डू इंपल्सिव स्पेंडिंग, क्योंकि आपके पास पैसे नहीं है, आपको लगता है पैसे नहीं क्योंकि मेरे सारे पैसे बचत हो रहे हैं. तो व्हाट डू? You avoid distraction and lifestyle inflation. You are very careful. So when do you think it's right time to have a financial goal for family? When did you start?
We started, I think, 2-3 years after our marriage.
Yeah.
But if I had to redo this, on the day I started my job, I wish I had some goals.
That's a thing I think we learnt on the job.
Correct.
We didn't have this kind of information that is there right now. We didn't have then. So that's why I guess we missed the bus in our first 10 years of our career.
Correct.
It's just later on that we started building on it, listening, reading, there were others who came and talked, or just sheer God's providence that, this person is talking something, and then you realize, okay, maybe yes, this is right. We just learnt on the way. I wish we had a formal setup to think and to do plan. It would have been better if we have that kind of information then. Later on, we built it up, and then we said, okay, this house, our retirement goals.
I think your
That's
first job, when your first salary comes, that is the day you should plan your things. And you don't have to plan big.
Number 4, it makes you long-term thinking and you leverage on compounding. So you are thinking long term. अगर आपकी अगर उम्र 30 साल की है तो आपकी जो रिटायरमेंट होगी वो 30 साल के बाद होगी. इट्स लॉन्ग टर्म. चिल्ड्रंस एजुकेशन 18 साल के बाद, उनकी मैरिज 30 साल के बाद, राइट? दैट इज द वे यू थिंक. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज यू कैन लेवरेज ऑन कंपाउंडिंग. फिर आप शॉर्ट टर्म में, आप लॉन्ग टर्म देखते हो तो आपकी जो SIPs होते हैं वो लॉन्ग टर्म होते हैं. सो यू लेवरेज ऑन कंपाउंडिंग. You know Warren Buffett's story? He started at 11 investing, and 99% of his $120 billion came from compounding after 50. After 50 is where the compounding started happening.
I think why I say we kind of miss the buses, what would have looked at very small amount at that point in time? 1,000 rupees saving. Let's say you had your job and you were getting 10,000 rupees and that 1,000 rupees saving. But had we done that, my equity now 25 years later would have been phenomenal.
Yes.
Number 5, बहुत important है. Maybe I'll make a video on this. When you have your financial goals, you will not take loans. And when you don't take loans, you build 3-4 times greater wealth, because EMIs will eat up on your wealth. You can watch my video. I have made this video. So loans are like hole in the bucket. आप fill करते रहोगे और bucket से जाती रहेगी. जितना बड़ा loan है आपका उतना बड़ा hole है आपके bucket में. So you don't take loans, because for children's education you have planned, for your house you have planned, for your car you have a financial goal. हर चीजों के लिए आप अगर financial goal रखोगे तो आप क्या करोगे? आप बचत करोगे. You will not take loans for everything. Those who take loans destroy their wealth, and I'm going to make a video on exactly on this, how it destroys wealth. And finally, it reduces stress and impulse spending. A Fidelity investment study in 2020 found couples with written goals fight 75% less about money and save 3 times more. मतलब आपकी बचत भी ज्यादा होती है और आपके झगड़े भी कम होते हैं, because you have written down goals. Let me tell you quickly about some research findings on this. It is not just because I'm telling this out of my feelings. Dominican University, they found that 42% are more likely to achieve them when they write down their goals. A Journal of Financial Planning, the study found that couples who shared financial goals reported higher levels of satisfaction and were more likely to reach their targets. Ramsey Solutions, national study of millionaires, found that 90% of millionaires couples had clearly defined financial goals. They worked together for their goals. And finally, Harvard Business Review found that people who plan for their future financially are more likely to feel in control of their lives, which increases resilience and decision-making quality. All the rich, the millionaires, the billionaires, whether you take Narayan Murthy, they had written down a goal to build a global IT company. Vijay Shekhar Sharma from Paytm, he penned his vision to democratize digital payments. Yes, writing helps, focus helps. Mark Zuckerberg of Meta, Facebook, he published Facebook's mission to connect the world in 2004. He wrote down, write down your goals, write down your goals, even your financial goals, all goals, write down, and that will help you. So this one discipline, if you're newly married, friend, you watch my last video on combining finances. That is one thing that will lay a strong foundation for your marriage and for your finances. And this one goal of writing down your financial goals will help you reach your financial freedom early in life. It will help you to create a lot of wealth, because wealth is created little by little. Hope there is some learning for you from today's video. If you liked it, let me know with a thumbs up or a comment. If you didn't like it, also let me know in the comment. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe to this channel. My goal is to help young families. my videos will not be just focused on money. There are many such videos. My focus is to help families to grow their wealth and also their relationship. Hope you like this. I hope to see you soon with my next video.